Hey, what's going on? This is Buzz over here at North County Indian Motorcycles here in San Marcos, and today we're going to be looking at the new 2022 Chief lineup. The first one we have here is the 2022 Chief, which comes in a black metallic color. As you can see, it's all blacked out on the engine and exhaust as well. It's an overall great looking bike. The second one we got here is 2022 Chief Dark Horse. This one comes in a thunder black smoke. Again, also all blacked out, ready to go. It's got a beautiful two-tone color here, smoke and just metallic in the middle. And the last bike we got here would be the 2022 Super Chief Limited. Comes with a quick release windshield. Comes with the digital speedometer and all that good stuff. It has a passenger seat as well. Saddlebags, perfect for your local commute or for road trips. So again, this is the 2022 Super Chief Limited. We are open here 6 days a week for test rides. Come on in and check them out.